everyone, and thank you for your interest. This video introduces compliance test solution overview using the Agilent E5071C ENA Option TDR and gives you a quick demo tour of cable assembly compliance testing using MOI document. That is a guide of measurement procedure to support compliance tests. With the increase in bit rates, not only time domain but frequency domain measurement is required in compliance testing. In addition, there is a growing need for evaluation of components under actual operating conditions to ensure interoperability. Eye diagram analysis is the result. In response, a VNA-based TDR solution becomes popular with its advantages, for instance, fast and accurate measurements. ENA Option TDR is a VNA-based TDR solution that supports a variety of high-speed digital standards. We offer two useful materials, MOIs and state files, and test solution overview. Both are available in this compliance webpage. Test solution overview helps you understand what kind of measurements are required. For example, let's see the HDMI compliance test overview. Start from testing purpose, compliance test setup example, measurement parameters, and required equipment with accessories. You can grab the info quickly. MOI method of implementation shows the detailed measurement procedure. Besides that, state file included in the test package is also available, which contains pre-configured setup in accordance with the standard requirements and allow for quick and easy measurements. Using MOI and state file, you can efficiently perform compliance tests. Let's see a quick demo tour of cable assembly compliance testing with reference to the HDMI 1.4b MOI document with 3 steps: setup, calibrate, and evaluate. First step is setup. It's easy to set up on the ENA Option TDR. All you need to do is record the state file, then pre-configured state is recorded. It doesn't require complex procedure to set up the instrument. Next step is calibration of test system. Remove the unwanted effect of test cables, connectors, and fixture other than DUT. It is also easy. You just need to follow the instructions. Then you can finish the calibration of the test system. Finally, we can measure the DUT. It's very easy to evaluate. You can see both time and frequency domains in one screen. We can zoom each trace that we want to check. For example, let's focus on impedance in time domain and attenuation in frequency domain. As you can see, measurement results are updated promptly. And you can do real-time analysis for both time and frequency domains with test limits and pass-fail indicators on the screen. In addition to the time and frequency domain measurements, stressed eye diagram analysis is becoming popular for evaluation of components under actual operating conditions. Traditionally, we need many instruments for the stressed eye test, and setup and operations are very complicated. However, the new solution, ENA Option TDR, offers one-box solution. You don't need other instruments to do stressed eye tests for cable assembly. ENA Option TDR supports all required functions, such as jitter injection, equalization, and mask test, and you don't need to change the connection from time and frequency domain measurements, so it's very quick and easy to do. That's all for the demo. Now let me summarize the solution quickly. ENA Option TDR compliance testing solution is one-box solution that provides complete characterization of interconnects, eye diagram analysis, time domain, and frequency domain measurements. In addition, it is very easy to use, so it will help you improve the throughput and cost effectiveness. Not only for the compliance test, but also for the troubleshooting, this tool is very useful with its advantages. ENA Option TDR solutions are certified for a variety of high-speed serial standards, such as USB, HDMI, and other standards. Furthermore, many of the authorized test centers have already adopted the ENA Option TDR because VNA-based solution is more accurate than traditional solutions with its least traceable calibration, and it results in better repeatability and reproducibility, R&R, of the test. When looking for an instrument for pre-compliance testing, it is always preferable to use instrumentation used at the test centers to ensure measurement correlation. If you need the information related to the compliance testing on ENA Option TDR, please visit this website. All materials in this web page are available free of charge. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.